Hello mga ka-home foodies and welcome to another session with us. If you are in the mood like me to make a one-dish meal, meaning kompleto na, may ulam, may kanin, may gulay, pues, tuturuan ko kayo ng sobrang madalicious na dish using PUREFOODS Chicken Afritada. Tara! So, ang recipe natin today ay tinatawag na Chicken and Shrimps Jambalaya. Alam mo, ending niya para ka nagpaeya, pero hindi mo na kailangan lutuin from scratch yung rice, kundi meron ka na talagang freshly cooked rice, imimix na lang natin sa mixture. And what's so nice is that hindi ka na magtitimpla ng chicken kasi luto na siya in the form of PUREFOODS Ready-to-Eat Chicken Afritada. So, it's a new way of applying our chicken afritada in another dish. Okay, just need 1 piece of red bell pepper. And then next, I want to show you yung Baguio beans, how to cut it into 3. So the first thing we'll do is lutuin ang ating hipon, which is ½ kilo of shrimps na suahe. But your call kung gusto mong mas bigger na hipon o dun sa variety na gusto nyo. So sa pot ng ating boiling water, which is about 1 liter or 4 cups, syempre, lagay muna natin yung ating ginger. Yung ginger kasi nakakatulong yan, alisin yung lansa sa seafood. For in this case, sa ating hipon. And then, lagay na natin ang ating ½ kilo of shrimps. Actually, ang bilis-bilis lang ito maluto. As soon as yung hipon mo turns orange in color, luto na siya. So, we'll cover and let it simmer until mag-change yung color ng shrimps into orange, meaning it's cooked already. Alright, so it's simmering and the color of the shrimps nag-turn na ng orange. Look at that. So, pwede na natin patayin yung apoy. Total, may residual heat yan. So, strain natin yung hipon kasi kailangan ko ng mga 2 cups ng shrimp stock. Alam mo, pampalasa yan sa ating jambalaya. So, kuha na tayo ng 2 cups ng shrimp stock. Pag kayo ay nagme-measure ng liquid ingredients, make sure you are reading dun sa lower line or tawag nila lower meniscus. So, ikaw, tatapat ka. And then, babasahin mo, meron ka makikita sa liquid na 2 lines. Doon ka magre-read sa bottom line. Yun yung tawag na lower meniscus. That's the right way of reading when you are measuring liquid. So, itabi na natin yan. And let's proceed with the very next step. Sisimulan na natin ang ating jambalaya kasi we have all the ingredients ready. So, first thing to do is lagay natin ang ating made with love PUREFOODS Ready-to-Eat Chicken Afritada. Each pack, which is about 450 grams, was really meticulously prepared, slow cooked to perfection para hindi mo na talaga siya kailangan gawin, but bibilhin mo na lang. So this contains about 2 pieces of chicken. That's why we're going to use 2 packs para may 4 pieces tayo. Tsaka kasi, habang tinutos natin mamaya, gusto ko nagsushred yung laman niya. So, talagang ang sarap-sarap ng sauce concoction niya. So, we'll add in the other pack. So, itong dalawang 450 gram each na packs. Sasamahan na natin ang ating 2 cups ng shrimp stock. So, we'll let it simmer. And, you know, kasi nga frozen pa siya, no? So, yaan muna natin. In 8 to 10 minutes, whether microwave or in a pan like this, iinitin mo siya. Siguradong napakasarap ng ulam mo pagkatapos. Ready na. So ito, pinapasarap natin lalo kasi gagawin nga natin one dish meal na nandun na yung gulay, andun yung protein mo or yung meat mo. And then, my favorite, ang carbs, ang rice. Because I love eating rice. So, well heated na ang ating chicken afritada na nilagyan natin ng 2 cups ng shrimp stock. Lalagyan na natin yung ating gulay. Actually, with PUREFOODS Ready-to-Eat Chicken Afritada, kung isi-serve mo lang on its own, lalagyan mo lang ng preferred vegetables mo, about 1 cup. So, for this, gagamitin natin yung talagang ginagamit for chicken afritada, yung Baguio beans at saka cubed red bell pepper. Now, you can use other vegetables. So, naiisip ko for this dish, pwede ka maglagay ng broccoli, ng cauliflower. Gusto mo rin okra, pwede din. No? So, your choice at saka i-mix and match mo sila. Pwede ka rin nga mag-garbanzos dito or kidney beans na boiled na. Lulutuin lang natin siya until mag-turn bright green ang color ng ating vegetables. And we're ready to put in our rice and kalahati ng ating hipon. Diba? Ganon kadali. Ayan, luto na ang ating gulay. So we're ready to put in our rice. So yung rice sana, yung freshly cooked para mainit pa. But you know what? Kahit na meron kayong leftover rice, pwede rin siyang gamitin. So, mix lang natin siya maigi, tapos mamaya-maya ilalagay natin yung shrimps. Ooh, ang sarap. Tsaka don't worry na medyo masabaw kasi a-absorbin niya ng rice. Yun yung whole point. I-absorb yung flavor ng ating afritada with some shrimp stock. And 2 spoons ginagamit ko para kung may buo-buong rice ay pwede nyong ma-separate ang grains. Ayan, no, inabsorb na. Now, I'm gonna put in kalahati ng ating hipon para naka-mix in na siya. Tapos yung iba, i-decorate natin sa ibabaw. Kung napansin nyo, walang salt, walang pepper. Kasi ganon kalasa ang ating PUREFOODS Ready-to-Eat Chicken Afritada. Plus, ilagyan pa natin ng stock. Siyempre, may ginger flavor na yung stock natin, no? From boiling the shrimps, tsaka ang lasa-lasa ng hipon din. Now, do note when you buy shrimps, kailangan fresh. At tsaka, paano malaman kung fresh siya? Never slimy, never sour yung kanyang amoy. Kailangan amoy dagat. Yan. Pag amoy isda, hindi yan fresh. Ironically. So, never slimy pag hinawakan. Tsaka yung malambot, yung parang durog na, yun, huwag niyong bibilihin yan. Alright, so I'm gonna turn off the heat kasi okay na siya. Nakita nyo how nice yung jambalaya natin. Sino makakaisip na wala namang ka-effort talaga. Sobrang dali, di ba? From frozen state, di mo kailangan mag-defrost. From frozen state, initin mo lang ang ating PUREFOODS Ready-to-Eat, made with love chicken afritada. Okay, we are ready to plate this wonderful, delicious jambalaya. Tatandaan niyo po, chicken and shrimps jambalaya. So I'm using a deep bowl kasi marami itong rice natin, can feed a big family. Sa hipon pa lang. Tsaka sa size ng chicken, di ka lugi. Para ka na rin nag-restaurant nito. And imagine, in 20 minutes, you have this dish. Tell you, this is really delicious. And it's something that I will prepare for my family again. Tsaka gusto mo pakainin kids mo ng gulay. I think ito, kasi malasa siya, masarap eh. Tsaka hindi naman alien sa mga bata ang Baguio beans. But you know, you can add other vegetables tulad ng cabbage. Kung anong favorite ng kids nyo? Cabbage. Gusto nyo spinach. Pwede nga kangkong eh. Ayan, nalipat na natin sa ating magandang plato. Siyempre, importante yan pag tayo'y food style para mas appetizing. Then, sabi ko nga yung mga hipon natin kanina, so ilagay na natin sa ibabaw para lalo sila matakam. Actually, yung chicken dyan sobrang sarap na eh. But para ma-wet pa yung appetite nila, decorate naman natin ang ating hipon. Actually, ito, iniisip ko nga, pwede mo pang lagyan ng fresh tomatoes. Yan. I think that will be good enough. Kita mo yung ating chicken. And then yung ating shrimps. There you go. There you have it. This is our chicken and shrimps jambalaya, your one-dish meal na sobrang sarap and fuss-free, which is so important for me. Alright, so I'll see you again next time. You'd better try this dish agad-agad na. So this is Liana Tan Arsenas for Food Swings.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, hindi lang nakakatakam, but siguradong madelicious!